Hey, it's B-Girl777.
And J-Girl777, but I'm not going to be saying just B-Girl. She's going to be saying Cherry Lloyd, want you back, so here you go. Or here she goes.
Hey boy, you never had much game, so I needed to upgrade. So I won't walk away, way. Now I see you hanging out with the other girl in town, looking like a pair of clowns.
Come on!
And the other things that you and I did for, and now you're doing them with her. And all the things that you and I did for, you got me like this.
Come on!
Now you're doing restaurant, and everyone was like, come on. And now you're thinking of every restaurant. You got me like this. Boy, you can say anything you wanna. I don't give a no one else can have you. I want you back. I want you back. Want you back. You be quiet. Now I feel like looking at you fly. I want you back. I want you back. Want you back. This ain't jealousy. She ain't got a thing. Trying to rock them ugly jeans.
Come on!
You clearly didn't think this through. I'm what it takes. I don't know this.
Okay, that's it.
Don't post.
Bye.